something they give.
Yeah, okay. So you I thought this is that real? She has boobs though.
Yeah, it's real. It's from
Hormones or
no,
injection?
it's injection.
How
We,
much you get paid for that?
oh, it's a three session. It's like almost got 30,000.
Oh, it's that's cheap, huh? Where?
Oh, just from the doctor.
That you know?
Doctor, I don't know, but some friends repair.
Ah,
It's not a
okay.
real doctor. It's just have a license like that.
Ah, okay. So he don't have a shop. He just
Yeah,
doing at home.
just like home service.
That's why he don't really charge that much.
Oh yeah, if in the hospital they are charged and they not do injection, I think
Mm,
just
so,
operate.
so did you really save money to achieve that boobs?
Yeah, I save when I have, then I do per session. Just not
Mm.
when I have money only.
So you didn't do it. Uh, you didn't pay him fully paid. You do it. How you pay him after session is that
No, every session is like
10K, right?
yeah,
Mm.
so when I have 10,000 again, then I another until it's little big.
Mm.
Not really big, but it's okay.
Yeah, it's
Just
just normal. Like it's just
it's like
normal.
teenager.
Yeah. Oh, cool. That. Do you really want to get it done?
Oh, wait, which one?
Your boobs.
No, this is enough because sometimes
No, I mean, did you really want to have boobs like that?